Okay guys, so yun no. We're with Sir Chuk again, so may lakad tayo ngayon guys. Pili tayo ng maraming diesel. As in maraming no Chuk? Alright, samahan nyo kami.
Pili tayo ng diesel.
Roroxy tayo ng maraming diesel guys. Alright, so gamit natin si Pau Pau syempre. Napakalamig ng aircon ng aming truck. Napakaangas. Alright, papagas tayo maraming diesel. Let's go. Yo. Sir Chuk operate. Ay, ano?
2,500.
Sagad kung sagad. Hey. Na?
2,000 niya pa.
Oh,
Tulad na.
yeah. Guys, ang daming diesel niyan, gagi 10,000. Alright. Okay guys. So yun no. Nasa may 4K pa lang siya guys. 4,000. Kailangan natin 9,500. Let's go. Sumuko na, wala nang gustong ilabas. Tumigil gagi. Alright, tina-troubleshoot lang. Let's go. So, inulit na lang nila guys, no? Tino-troubleshoot, siguro i-re-report. Yun, no? Bagal. Okay na. Alright. Tinuloy na lang yung kanina guys. Let's go. Putan, daming diesel niyan, Boss Chuk ah. Sip-sipin na. So yun guys no, ganun gumit ng 10,000 diesel.
Eh,
Let's go.